Hi all, I just wanted to show you this really quick hack for condensation in your bathroom. This is just after I've had a shower. So as you can see, you can't see very much through the glass. Condensation and fogging up is pretty much in its element. Hi guys, I wanted to just show you the shower screen. So I did the first part of this the other day after I'd had a shower. And then if I show you today, you can see all the lime scale and watermarks and such like that are going on at the minute. You basically can't even see through the glass. Not that bad at the minute. And this is just normal condensation issues and shampoo residue and things like that that I left on the glass screen after a shower. So I'm going to use the same product, just a spray vinegar. You can just use a normal vinegar if you've got one as well and put it on a sponge, a scouring sponge, and do exactly the same process. But I'm basically going to coat the whole shower door, and we'll get a good coating in vinegar from top to bottom. And then I will leave that for roughly about 20 to 30 minutes just to sit so it can start breaking down all the lime scale and the scum that's inside the shower door. And then I'll give it a quick clean with this, which is my long-handled cleaning brush. Excuse my loofah. It's this one. I use this when I clean the bath and the shower, so I don't have to bend down because it's got quite a long handle on it. It's just one of those abrasive cleaning pads. And I'll scrub from top to bottom, and then I'll come back once I've done that and I can show you guys the results. But I like to do this on all of the bathroom surfaces if possible, because my little one is obviously only little, so she touches all of the surfaces repeatedly every time that she's in the bathroom. And I don't like to use the chemicals on the surfaces, so I'll come back and I'll show you the finished results. Hi all, so I've just finished cleaning the glass doors, and this is the finished shine. If you can see, all the watermarks have gone. There's no lime scale on the doors anymore. Did a pretty good job. Now we're going to do the shaving cream to stop the glass inside the shower fogging up. Just get that on a cloth and rub it in. You have to put a fair bit on there, and you basically just keep rubbing until it's all disappeared. So I'll go all the way down the shower door, and I'll do the mirrors and the cabinet as well, so that the glass doesn't fog up again. And this works really well on any kind of glass that you don't want any condensation to form on. It also works really well in cars. If you put it on the inside of your windscreen, and then you won't get the dreaded winter fog and everybody breathing too much and you can't see. You can see just rubbed in really quickly. And I'll go down the bottom and do it all the way down the bottom as well. But it's as simple as that. It's a really great cheap hack. You can pick up, I think, shaving foam in somewhere like Lidl or Aldi is like 80p or something. That one I used was just a cheap one that I had, an old one from Asda. But that's all you do basically. So this is the finish. So if you look at the difference with this door, this is the door that I put the shaving cream on, and this door, still pretty much you can see through. This bit at the bottom where the water's sitting, the water's just kind of sliding off. And then these side panels are left with no shaving cream on, so you can see the difference. You can see the condensation is already built up. The shower literally has been on for probably about a minute, if that. And then the other side kind of looks fucked up as well. So yeah, it works really well. I find when I do this, if I use a shower squeegee after as well, just to take off any excess water, and then the glass will stay like this for probably a week, depending on your shower usage.